Okay, so thank you so much again for joining us today. Today is an exciting class for us because we are going to cover arbitrage trading. But before we start, I want to remind you that ubricoin is a cryptocurrency, a digital currency developed to facilitate global health. We do so by focusing in three major areas in healthcare. That is, one, improving realized and physical access. Number two, improving the quality of healthcare. And number three, reducing the high cost of healthcare, especially in Kenya. And to do this, we have set aside 76% of 20 billion ubricoins that we developed so that we can support 4 major projects in Ubrica. And the 4 major projects include, number one, Soko Janja, which goes to improving realized access of healthcare. And when we say realized access, we mean that we need people to have money in their pockets so that they can access healthcare. Then we have the second project, which is Ubrica Retail Clinical Centers. And Ubrica Retail Clinical Centers goes to improving the physical access in healthcare, where people have places to go to hospital. We can develop clinics where people can go to hospital too. Then we have the third project, which is Ubrica Science and Technology Parks, which goes to improving the quality of healthcare. We know that quality in our country is very poor. So we want to link the knowledge in the university and knowledge in the education system to the products that are in the market and to healthcare in Kenya. So we set aside some ubricoin to go to facilitate building and funding Ubrica Science and Technology Parks. Then we have the last project, which is biomedical industrial city, and this goes to reducing high cost of care. We know that high cost of care is due to imported biomedical products, that is even medicines. We have medicine, we have equipment, all imported from other countries, and now we want to reduce this by local manufacturing through the biomedical industrial city. So the 17% of the 20 billion ubricoins remaining goes to the community development, which is what we are telling everyone in this session to use. Like, we trade these 17% of the ubricoin that are already in the market. We trade those ubricoins. We make sure that ubricoin price goes up. So this is your time. Go to the market, get your portion of the 17% of ubricoin. We make ubricoin price go up, and then from there we can proceed to the project. So as I said today, that was an introduction to ubricoin so that you can understand what ubricoin is. But now I would like to proceed to our main agenda today, which is arbitrage trading. And in arbitrage trading, we said it is when the price of the same commodity is different in different markets. For example, you find the price of the same product in one market is lower than the price of the same product in a different market. And then you can buy in one market, then go sell it in another market. That is what we call arbitrage trading. And we have that with ubricoin because ubricoin has been listed in different exchanges. And today I want us to focus on the 2 major exchanges, the active exchanges for ubricoin. That is Finexbox and Etherflyer. That is how I know I've done arbitrage trading before, but I was focusing in one market, that is Finexbox. But today I want us to look at 2 different markets, and that is Etherflyer ETH market and Finexbox ETH market. So I'll just share my screen so that we can see how that goes. And I will also have a Word document where I'll be writing down the prices in different markets. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead in my search bar, and here I'll search for Finexbox. Just allow me to set this right so that I can be able to share it well. Okay. Just give me a minute to do this. Okay, there we go. I think the screen it's a little bit small, but you'll bear with me because I just want to share a portion of the screen. I don't want to share so that I can navigate from one screen to the other. I may need just to share a portion of the screen. I'll just expand this a little. Yes, here we go. I'll just expand this so that you can see a little bit more of the screen. So in my browser, I will use three things. I'll use the two markets, then I'll go to a crypto converter. We said when you want to do arbitrage trading, you must convert the prices in ETH to US dollars so that you can compare the market, because you cannot compare them when the prices are just in ETH. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the prices in dollars, which we do that using crypto converter. And our crypto converter, the crypto converter that I usually recommend is the one in CoinMarketCap. So I'll just type here crypto converter. I'll just type here crypto converter, and then I will search for the one in CoinMarketCap. I said we prefer the one in CoinMarketCap because it has all the coins that ubricoin has been listed to. This is what I'm talking about, the cryptocurrency converter and calculator tool, CoinMarketCap. So you select on that, it will take you to a page where you can insert the coins that you want to trade, and then it is going to convert them to US dollars. So the next page that I want us to use is Finexbox. I'm going to start with Finexbox. We get the prices in Finexbox, and here I'm going to focus on UBN ETH market. As we said, for you to get to UBN ETH market, you need an account in Finexbox. So if at all you do not have an account in Finexbox, you need one. And to create an account, you just need your email address and a password. Those are the only two things that you need to create an account in Finexbox. And you do not need KYC. I saw a question yesterday if we need KYC to open account in Finexbox. You do not need a KYC for that. And also, I saw someone saying that they were not asked for KYC when buying ubricoins, and they were not sure if they require KYC to sell ubricoins. You do not need KYC at all in Finexbox. So what we will do here, we want to do arbitrage trading. In arbitrage trading, you want to compare two markets, the buy and sell of the two markets. So what we are going to do, we are going to select at the topmost. Let us start with sell orders, because a sell order is a buy for you. A sell order is a buy for you. And when we are recording this down, I want us to, because when you you go into the market, you start with buying and then selling. So we are going to start with the sell orders. When I click on the sell order, this autofills the price that I just click here. So I'm going to take this price, then I'm going to copy this. When I copy this price, I'm going to paste it in the crypto converter so that I can get the price in US dollars. And remember, here we have BTC, but the market that we are working with is ETH market. So we are going to change this to ETH. We are going to change this to Ethereum. So I click on Ethereum, and that gives us the price that was in ETH, in UBN ETH market is 0.000093. So I'm going to take this, I copy this, I paste it to my Word document where I'll be doing the comparison. So I'll copy this to my Word document. Just give me a minute. I open the Word document that I had developed earlier. As we said, we are starting with Finexbox exchange, and that is the ETH market, and we have just done a buy for us. So I'll copy that here, the price that I got. It's a little bit small. Let me just expand this so that you can see it well. I'll put it in bold so that it is visible. So we have that. After we do that, we are going back to the market to see how much we buy for using, okay, this market. So I'll go back to Finexbox market. When I go back to Finexbox market, now I want a sell for me. A sell for me is the buy orders. If at all you want to sell some UBNs, you want to go to people who want to buy. So I'll click on the buy orders, then I go to where the price has just autofilled, where it is typed price, and I will copy this and then paste it in crypto converter here. I paste it here, and you can see the price is 0.000087 US dollars. I'll copy this. I'll take this to my Word document where I have typed sell, and I will paste it there. I'll make this a little bit bigger so that you can see from where you are. Okay, now we have it there. That is good. Now we already have in Finexbox ETH market, you buy 1 UBN at 0.000093, and in the same market you sell 1 UBN at 0.000087 dollars. So if at all you are to work with this market, if at all you buy in this market and sell in the same market, you can see you will make a loss because the buying price is higher than the selling price. So what we need, we want to compare this to another market. We see if we can have a market where we can buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. So what we are going to do, we are going to go back to the market, but now we go to the Etherflyer market. And in the Etherflyer market, what I want us to do, and remember, you have to make sure that in the market that you are is actually indeed UBN ETH market. And in this market, I'll show you in a little bit. In this market, this is how this is where you check if you want to know in which market you're in. So this is the UBN ETH market. So what you want to do, you want to come here where we have buy orders and the sell orders. And in this market, we said the reds are the sell orders and the green is the buy orders. So, and we want to start with the buy. And when we say buy, remember that is the sell orders are the buys for us. So we are going to click on the red one. We click on the topmost order, and then we go to the price. We copy this and we paste it to the crypto converter. We paste it here. Remember, we are still working with Ethereum, so this will not change. So this is 0.000069. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to paste it in my Word document. I'm going to paste it here because that was a buy. So be very careful. Do not write a buy where it for a sell and a sell for a buy. Be very careful because if you mess that up, it means that you're going to make some losses. So you need to be very careful here. So then that is Etherflyer. Sorry, Etherflyer ETH market. We are buying at 0.000069. So I'm going to go back to the same market so that I can get the sell for us. The sell for us is this one. And I said in Etherflyer, the orders are, when we talk about the topmost order in the sell orders is the bottom one, and when we talk about the topmost order in the buy orders is the top one here, the green top one. The sell order, the top one is the bottom one here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the topmost buy order, and then I'll take this, I'll copy this and then paste it to my crypto converter here. I paste it here, and then we see 0.00005. This is what we take, and then we are going to paste it back to our Word document, which is here. We paste it here. I'm going to make this a little bit larger. Okay, I think we can, all of us can see this now. Okay, let me expand this. I'll expand this so that you can see the price as well. So now we have the exchanges here. We have Finexbox and Etherflyer, and the market. Remember, they are ETH market, ETH UBN market, and then the action we are doing, we're buying and selling. Buying and selling these are the prices. So in Finexbox, you buy 1 UBN at this, you sell the same UBN at this. In Etherflyer, you buy UBN at this price and sell at this price. Now, to compare the two markets, remember, we want to buy low and sell high. To buy low means, if at all we are buying in Etherflyer market, the buy for Etherflyer market should be higher than the sell should be lower than the sell in Finexbox market, which is the case. If you compare these two prices, it means if you bought at this price and then sold at this price, it means that you're going to make some profit. And do not underestimate the numbers. I know they look a little bit very low, they look low, but remember, when you're dealing with a lot of coins, this is a lot of profit for you. So do not, this is a possible market for you to do arbitrage trading, and you can go ahead and try it out. But I want to remind you that when you're doing arbitrage trading, you need to be doing this a little, you know, more, you need to do this often, because market changes. If at all you, for example, you execute a buy or a sell order, it means when you do a sell order, it means this order will not be there anymore, and that means you won't now work with this price. You will need to go to the next price. So remember, when you're doing arbitrage trading, you need to compare the market, all the prices every time. Every time you do a sell or you do a buy, you want to go back to crypto converter and do the calculations again, because if you rely with the calculations that you did earlier or when you are starting, it means that you are going to get you may go to you may make some losses, and that is not right. We do not want you to make some losses. We are here to make profits. So make sure when you go to the market, just do the calculation over and over again until you are sure that that is what you really need. And when you're buying low and selling high so that you can make profit. So that is what I had for today. Remember, we said that when you're creating an account in Etherflyer, you need your email address and a password. And in addition to that, you also need to create a wallet in Etherflyer, a wallet where you're giving seed phrases. And I want to remind you, these seed phrases, you need to keep them very safe, because these are what you use to recover your wallet in case you are logged out of the exchange. So make sure that you keep the seed phrases very safe. So let us trade ubricoin. We make it active in the market. Let us keep doing this, trading. I want us, before I leave, let us just go back to, I'll stop sharing this screen and reshare again. I want us to go to back to the market. I want to show you something in the market where we have, okay, I want to show you Finexbox. Let me just go to etherscan.io. We said that etherscan.io is a platform where ubricoin activities are recorded. This is what we call public ledger, because it can be seen by anyone, anywhere in the world. They can see the activities in the ubricoin market, and this is what I'm talking about. So what we'll do, we'll go to the exchanges, because I want to go to the market. I want to go to Finexbox BTC market. Yesterday we checked, and in BTC, UBN BTC market, we had, I think, 3 orders. I want you to see how many orders we have today, because people are joining this market, and people are coming in huge numbers in the markets to buy UBNs. So I want to thank everyone who have taken part in this, who have introduced their friends to the market. Thank you so much. Continue bringing them in and buying ubricoin in large numbers, because we said we are the sellers of tomorrow. When all these ubricoins, people who are now selling ubricoins at a low price are bought out, you are the one who will be selling ubricoin at a higher price in the market. So make sure, I want us to see these. Let me just search here, UBN. I want to go to UBN BTC market. Yesterday, we had only 3 orders in the buy side, but today we have a lot of orders in the market, and this is good news for all of us. I want us to just give me a minute. Let me search this again. Oh, here we go. Now you can see we already have more than the 4 orders. I think yesterday we were at 4, but now we have come up to 9. This is very good news. So keep up the good work, keep on doing what you're doing, keep on buying ubricoins, keep them for yourself, hold them until the prices will go up, because I know very soon it will, as you have seen in the market. Let me just share again. CoinGecko. I said CoinGecko is where, if at all you want to see the progress of ubricoin and the ubricoin price over time, this is where you go. You go to coingecko.com and then you search for you go to coingecko.com, you search for UBN, and you will be able to see how ubricoin is doing and what is the price of ubricoin and the price of ubricoin since it was launched to this day. So we are going to go, this is the last thing I'll cover here. I want us to see the graph. I told you most of the time I check the 180-day moving average. That is what, because it gives us a very good analysis of what has been happening in the market. You can see since Friday, this was Friday, to today, the price continue going up, and this is what we want. We want people to continue taking the price up every day, because when we do this, we are supporting ubricoin. We said we have two words, support and resistance. When we say about support, it means that we are helping you, we are making the ubricoin price not to go back down, but to keep on rising all steady in the market. So continue buying ubricoin, continue trading. For those who are active traders, I know a few of us here are active traders. They do arbitrage trading, and they are the one who requested I do an arbitrage trading class for today. And thank you so much. If at all you want us to cover something that you feel like you want to know, also feel free to do so, and text me, email me or anything, and then we are going to cover that in our next session. Thank you so much for joining us. Today was Trading Thursday. We meet again on Trading Tuesday, but again we have on Monday we have other sessions, but on Tuesdays and Thursday we are doing Trading Tuesday and Trading Thursday. So thank you so much. I'll take this back to Scora to finalize. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Miss Susan. That was amazing. That was arbitrage trading on Finexbox and Etherflyer exchange, and I hope you have learned something. Every day we bring to you content that is meant to just improve your understanding, not only on trading ubricoin, but also on understanding how cryptos work. So we want to encourage everybody to definitely take part in this. And of course, today we had a huge number of 11 participants, and I just want to recognize them. That's Chiza, David Ogutu, Eunice, Jane Washira, Job Chege, Roots, iPhone, Infinix Hot 7. You should give us your name. We want to recognize you better. And we had an iPhone also. We also had Veronica Mwangu and Ian Mwangi. So guys, thank you so much for participating. We have seen that in arbitrage trading, it's all about buying low and selling high, so that you make profit. I think the takeout for arbitrage trading for me today has been, you need to be seeing ways in which you're making profit. So even as you're doing your calculations and comparing the prices, it's all about making profit using ubricoins, and you have seen that that is very possible. So we still have a bit of time, and I don't know if any of us has any questions for Miss Susan so that we can end the session, because every time I think once you learn something, the best way of even getting to understand it better is by asking questions. And I said that in these sessions, we don't have stupid questions. Any question is definitely valid. And even just asking whether a buy order, what Susan always keeps on telling us, when you want to sell UBNs, you go for the people who want to buy. So a sell order is a buy for you, and a buy order is a sell for you. So that is definitely as simple as that. If you don't understand anything, feel free. This is the platform. So of course, if we have no questions coming into our chat room, I think this is a good place to end the show. And I want to thank once again everybody for participating. And of course, we see you tomorrow for yet an amazing session with our teacher, Miss Susan. But before we leave, there is a question by David. I see, why does Finexbox keep on asking for the support? I think that's for you, Miss Susan.
Yes, I got that, and I sent them an email. I'm waiting for their reply. When they do, I'll let you know.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's okay. That's good, David. For anyone else who may be having a question, feel free. This is the platform. We want to encourage everybody, and of course, we don't want to leave anyone behind. So if you haven't understood anything, or you also want Miss Susan to cover a specific topic for you, this is why we're here for you. So you need to be feeling free to just give your suggestions, give your comments, even on how we are doing these particular classes. We want you to feel free to embrace these classes and make yourself feel comfortable, because this is definitely one of the greatest platform that you have, and we're giving you a rare chance of understanding how you go about trading of cryptos. So once again, thank you very much, Miss Susan, for a wonderful training. And of course, to our participants, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow again at exactly 3 p.m. East Africa time. And of course, we will have an amazing session. So thank you so much for joining us. It is goodbye for now. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.